Hi guys, today we are going to be reacting to a video called Beep Beep I'm a Sheep. I think you know this, made by Lil Deuce Deuce from an ACDF movie 10 song. So today it's going to be my first reaction video reacting to it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Why does this actually look funny? Who added this? What? You added this? Looked like my Geometry Dash icon almost a year ago. That was
Some
you?
of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep beep like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe! Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor.
Why do you have to put your hands up and then put them on the floor? Like, that's confusing. And now you put your hands back up? That's not how you... Meow, meow, I'm a cow. Meow, meow, I'm a cow. This actually looks kind of funny when it looks like that. Looks like Timmy.
You got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep. You got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep. Yeah.
Not this guy
so,
again.
You know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do? Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. I go crazy now, meow like a cow.
Bro! Are you serious? Meow meow, I'm a cow. You don't even look like one, sheep. Let me just read that. Meow meow, I'm a cow. Bark bark, I'm a sheep. That's what the comments say. Little Timmy. Can you stop already? It's gonna be the end in like 17 seconds. Oh, sorry. I don't care. Why is the E not long? Okay, so that looks like the end. Goodbye, guys.